Installing a fan direction switch with cable. To install the fan direction switch, align the fan direction switch with the opening on the bracket and the guide pin on the chassis, and then insert the switch at an angle and push it in until it stops. Push in the fan direction switch until it is firmly seated in the slot. Secure the fan direction switch with one screw. Connect the fan direction switch cable to the airflow switch connector on the system board. Align the notches of the SMA filler with the guide pins on the chassis, and then carefully lower the SMA filler down until it is firmly seated. Secure the SMA filler with one screw. Connect the intrusion switch cable to the system board. Align the intrusion switch with the opening of the bracket and the guide pin, and then slide it toward the guide pin until it stops. Secure the intrusion switch with one screw. Reinstall the memory modules in DIMM slots 1 and 2. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis, and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PNB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Turn the node over so that the bottom side faces up. Use the key to lock the node covers.